Hi everyone, welcome to Nippon Spoon. On this channel, I share halal-friendly Japanese home cooking recipes. Today, I'm cooking Japanese-style fried chicken, karaage. There are many different ways to make it, but today, I'll be making a basic soy sauce flavored karaage in a halal-friendly way. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. This amount serves 2 to 3 people. First, halal chicken thighs. This time, I cut them into large bite-sized pieces so I can enjoy juicy chicken. Now, we'll marinate the chicken in the seasonings. Many karaage recipes use sake to tenderize the meat, add flavor, and remove odors. Since this recipe is halal-friendly, we skip the sake and add sugar instead. Rubbing in the sugar helps keep the chicken juicy and adds richness to the flavor. Make sure to rub it thoroughly until the sugar granules dissolve. Next, add the soy sauce and salt. Since the soy sauce gives the chicken a strong enough flavor, any unpleasant odor is completely masked, even without adding sake. Add garlic and ginger according to your taste. This time, I'll grate 1 piece of ginger. Once the seasonings are added, rub them thoroughly into the chicken. After rubbing, let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes have passed. The chicken has absorbed all the marinade and there's no liquid left. Now we'll coat it. This time, I use a mix of flour and potato starch, half and half, for a coating that gives both juiciness and crispiness. Gently and lightly coat them. That's all for the prep. Now, let's cook. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Heat the oil to about 170 degrees Celsius. When you dip wooden chopsticks into the oil and see small bubbles forming, it's ready. Add the chicken. Don't touch it too much until the coating sets. Fry for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, when it starts to turn a nice golden color, flip it over. Fry the other side for about 1.5 minutes until evenly golden. For the final 1 minute, increase the heat slightly and let the chicken fry in hotter oil exposed to the air. This helps create a crispy texture. Remove the chicken one by one as they turn a good color. Even on the rack, the chicken continues to cook gently from residual heat. Let it rest for a few minutes so the juices settle and the chicken stays juicy. Your halal-friendly karaage is ready. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. And delicious even without using sake. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.